to have financial independence and to retire early. Now, let me just clarify about retire early. Does not mean quitting work. I think if you stop working, again you rot. But this is earning the freedom to do whatever you want. If you want to go into philanthropy, if you want to teach, if you want to make more money, whatever you want to do, to not be tied down by an 8 to 5 job. So that when you're going to work because you love it, not because you have to. Yeah. So financial independence is having assets that generate for you sufficient cash flow to take care of your needs, your wants, and your desires without needing a job. So in time, we checked and we said, what is the one thing that every working Kenyan spends a lot of their time thinking about? And financial security came tops. Whether it is wanting a promotion so that they can be financially secure, so whether it is pleasing their boss so they can be financially secure, whether it is doing so that they can be financially secure. Everybody is thinking about financial security today and tomorrow. How secure am I now that I'm working? How secure will I be tomorrow when I lose my job or retire or So financial security became for us a big mountain to conquer. It became a problem whatsoever. But we felt that many people are not able to get financial security because they don't have access to affordable investments. When they think investments, especially in real estate, that's too expensive. So people just know, I can't invest that side.
If you look, by the time most people go to retire, the first thing they try and do is to build a living house. Meaning all along, they have been on a rented house, for instance. And so once they build this living house, many don't even complete the house. And so they are minus the retirement benefits. They are not in a working position. And they are even, the dream house is incomplete. And you might imagine, even if the house was even completed, what does a living house give you? You see, if your big asset is your dwelling house, you are even more likely to sleep hungry, because when you tell your neighbor I don't have money, and he sees you are living in a big house, he sees like you are joking.
So my name is Nema Mwende. Well, I learned about the F.I.R.E workshop through my sister, who is very invested with TSAVO City. She has one of the developments, and she has really encouraged me to come for this workshop for a long time, and I actually understood why she has, and it has really been impactful. It has made me to reflect in terms of who I am, in terms of a spender, and who I want to be in terms of being financially independent. And it really makes you question a lot in terms of how you spend your money and the goals and the vision that you want to be and to do. And I really appreciate what TSAVO is doing in terms of these workshops and also the projects that they're undertaking in terms of the housing. It makes you really think a lot, and I'm really thankful to have been here today, and I look forward to working with them in the future.